Good afternoon. My name is Zulu Mabunda from Alstom. I'm the APU manager. We are building locomotives there. Before I start with my speech, yesterday there was a lot of engagement, there was a lot of presentations, and one thing I would like to say is this group here, this year they deserve a bonus. So to the managers to the back, these guys are saving you a lot of money. What they presented yesterday showed us that we are facing challenges at work, and we are actually the solutions. Though we might be ignorant at times, but we see the problem in the companies and we know how to save them. But again, what I think I've learned in these sessions is we were brought here to actually get skilled for the companies. But I think 70% of what we've learned actually developed us personally than what we are going to take to the company. So we've learned quite a lot, and thank you, Thomas. You've given us at least a bit of hope in terms of problem solving outside there as well. So to the guys, courage that you've given us, the support, the moral, the energy was so amazing. So thank you. Wherever you are going, just use the same support that you've given each and every single person here, and never stop. Yes. And again, with the message that I'd like to give you guys, whatever challenge that you face, never give up. Thank you.
Thank you.